how to change the navigation bar button order on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. Now scroll down and tap on navigation bar. In here, we tap on more options. So make sure you select buttons and then tap on more options. In here, you can select the top option or the bottom option. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.